Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove a Facebook business page from your personal account. This is especially useful if you've transferred ownership, no longer manage a particular page, or simply want to clean up your admin roles across different business pages. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Log in using your Facebook business account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed straight to your Facebook homepage. From here, take a look at the left navigation menu where you'll typically find your shortcuts. Click on your Facebook business page listed there. This will take you directly to the page you want to manage. Once you've clicked on your business page, you'll be directed to your Facebook business management page. This is the central hub where you can oversee all the activities and settings related to your page. Now locate the three-dot icon, often labeled as More Options. It's usually positioned near the top of the page. Go ahead and click on it to reveal additional management tools. When you click on the three-dot icon, the menu will expand and you'll see several options available for managing your Facebook business page. These options give you control over various aspects of your page's administration. From this expanded menu, locate and click on Admins. This will redirect you to your Page Access menu, which is where all the user permissions are managed. Once you're there, click on Page Access to proceed to the next stage. You'll now be directed to the Facebook Business Manage and View Access page. This is an important section because it displays a comprehensive list of all users who currently have access to manage this page. Carefully review the list to locate the account you wish to remove. In this case, you're looking for your personal account. Once you've found it, hover your cursor over that entry. You'll notice a three-dot icon appear next to it. Click on that icon and you'll see the only option listed, which is Remove Access. Click on it. After clicking Remove Access, a confirmation window will appear on your screen. This is Facebook's way of ensuring you don't accidentally remove someone's access. In the confirmation window, click on Remove Access again to finalize the removal. Once confirmed, your personal account will no longer have admin access to that Facebook business page. And there you have it. You've successfully removed your Facebook business page from your personal account, giving you cleaner account management and ensuring only the right people have access to your business page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.